Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here to reveal our card kit and inspiration for our Stamptember limited edition kit, and this is called Birthday Bash. I'll start you off with a 6x8 stamp set, which features everything you need for birthday. So you have a party hat, you also have some horns that you can blow, a cake, small messages that you can intermix with larger messages, and at the bottom there's a large birthday that goes all the way across that set, and it is birthday candles. So each of the letters are designed and they're 3D looking. This is one of those sets that you can use all year round for all ages. Up next is a brand new embossing folder, and this is called Circle Rings, and it gives you a really fine pattern. And to use these embossing folders, you just open them up, slide your paper inside, and run it through your die cut machine using the sandwiches that are suggested. We've designed a special die for this kit, and this is called Balloon Bouquet, and it has a fine line of the outlines of those balloons, and you can also use these to fill in with other colors with your clippings from the inside. We have several stencils in this kit for you. This first one is called Party Candles, and it's a two-part layering set that you can use together. You can color the bottom portion and then add your details on top. The next stencil is outlines of balloons, and this is called Balloon Bunch. It's about 6x6, and these are great to create some backgrounds using your blending brushes and inks. And the third stencil is called Party Balloons. It has your strings and 5 different shapes of balloons, and you can use your blending brushes to color in with those. So you're going to get 2 of our new small blending brushes, and these are the same fine hair that our larger brushes have, and this is great for getting into the small details. They also come with a plastic cap to protect them while you store them. You'll also receive a pack of our sentiment strips, and these are CZ Design Reverse Birthday. These are the great black with white writing, and you can trim these up and add them to your cards. And don't forget, you can also use your foiling since they're printed with toner ink. You'll also receive a pack of 6, and these are our A2 holographic papers, and this is the rainbow, and that's what I used with the embossing folder. So these are great for card fronts or for die cutting your smaller images. The papers for this kit are called Party Time, and they're from My Favorite Things. There are 12 sheets, single-sided, and they're all in a rainbow type theme. So you have candles and stripes, balloons, fine lines, thicker strips of color. You also have diagonals and several vertical or horizontal options to work with. Some of the papers have a white background, and then others are filled with patterns full of color. So once again, that's 12 sheets, single-sided, from My Favorite Things. Another fun thing we're adding to this kit are 6 of our holographic envelopes, so you can use these for all the cards that you make. These are really super shiny. You can use a Sharpie or a label to address them, and they do have a standard closure, so you will have to lick it to stick it. We have 4 cardstocks for you. We have Simon Lipstick, also Peacock, Bright Yellow, and 110-pound Solar White Nina. And finally, you're going to get 3 full-size ink pads in our Simon Says Stamp Positively Saturated Ink in Ocean, Sunbeam, and Blush. This kit is so packed full of fun goodies, and up next I have some inspiration. I've created a card using the blush ink, and I've used the balloon bunch stencil for my background, and I also created some candles with the stencils. I've colored them and then used some glitter paste for the details. Kelly created a couple of really colorful cards using the stencils, pattern papers, and also the sentiment strips all together to create these really festive cards. Susan Opal created a couple cards using the pattern papers for her background and also the balloon bouquet die where she pieced together her colors to fill in the balloons. Beth Opal used the pattern papers and she stamped and cut out the party favors along with a nice die cut for happy birthday and used a sentiment strip to complete her card. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our limited edition Stamptember 2021 card kit. This is Birthday Bash. Remember, it's only available while supplies last. And be sure to check out our blog for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.